Control on the wire.
COGI!
Yeah.
Protect Green River!
Sold.
Coming through the fidelity light.
Heck A! Give out a half to 2,600 offer.
For 12 12. Give it up ground.
National sales.
Well, you know, we could see a little bit more volatility. I don't know that...
Mr. Greenspan stuck a little pin in the balloon last night, and as you can hear right now, there's quite a lot of activity. The market moving to the downside, and concerns are that the Fed is going to take some action possibly. At least they're aware of what's happening in our markets and are worried about too much speculation in our markets, and that's causing them some concern that's spreading into our market.
I think if we get back up to sort of around 3 o'clock, we've got another factory orders. Bonds, I mean, equities are down 12.
Certainly the Japanese markets took his comments with a vengeance. We saw very aggressive selling of markets in the Asian centres, and that continued into Europe, where we saw very steep falls in the equity and bond markets there. Since then, we've seen some degree of stabilization. The payrolls figures in the United States were not a disaster from the market's point of view, but nonetheless the atmosphere remains very nervous.
25.3 KFWs, Bill.
I think the markets have become a little bit overexcited by what was known as the Goldilocks economy of the US, the fact that the US economy was proceeding along a very steady growth path with very subdued inflation. It had got very excited by the low interest rate regime in Europe. It had got very excited by the low interest rates in Japan and the very substantial capital outflows that were coming out of Japan into foreign markets. We just got a little bit overextended and overexcited. Christmas came early to the markets, and so did the hangover.